and a little sapling grows up between the birch and the beech. And the birch says to the beech tree, "Hey, that little sapling down there, is it a son of a birch or a son of a beech?" And they says, I don't know, but hey, wait, here comes a woodpecker. The woodpecker knows a lot about trees, and the woodpecker sits on the limb of the birch. "Hey, Mr. Woodpecker, see that little sapling down there?" "Yes." "Is that the son of a birch or a son of a beech?" "Well, I'll let you know." So he flew down there and went to work. And he finally flies up on the birch tree and he says, "That's neither a son of a birch or a son of a beech, but that's the best piece of ash I've put my pecker into in a long time."
PopPop, I'm going to try to get some mileage out of that. We're going up to Maine, and we got the member guest coming up. I'm going to go for that.
Yeah, so you got to practice it.
I need the video.
You need the video.